Ever feel like you need a map and a compass just to navigate DeFi? All those bridges, the crazy high gas fees, it can be a lot. Well, you're not alone. In this explainer, we're going to cut right through all that noise. I'm going to show you the absolute most direct way to buy Autonomi tokens, that's ANT, on Uniswap. And we're going to use one simple trick that'll save you a ton of time and money. Ready? Let's dive in.
So here's the plan. First, we'll get our ETH ready to go. Then we'll connect over to Uniswap, make the swap for Autonomi, and finally, we'll run through a super important safety checklist. It's a simple, step-by-step process.
Think of this as a quick trip. We're starting on the familiar ground of an exchange like Coinbase and heading straight into the heart of DeFi. The whole point here is to find the smoothest, most direct path possible, with no weird detours.
Okay, first things first. We have to get our Ethereum in the right place. That means moving it from Coinbase over to our personal wallet so we're all set up for the swap.
All right, go ahead and open up your Coinbase app. The very first thing you're going to do is look for and tap that transfer button. This is what gets the ball rolling to move our ETH into our own self-custody wallet.
So you'll see a few options pop up here. And since we're sending our ETH out on its little adventure, we're just going to choose Send Crypto. Pretty straightforward, right?
Next up, the app's going to ask, okay, what do you want to send? And for this whole operation, our vehicle of choice is Ethereum. So go ahead and pick ETH from your list of assets.
Okay, now listen up, because this is easily the most important part of the whole process. Instead of using the default Ethereum network, we are going to select Arbitrum. This is the secret sauce. By using Arbitrum, we totally skip that slow, expensive bridging step. It's way faster, and just look at that fee. It's so much lower.
So now Coinbase is just sitting there waiting for a destination address. So let's hop over to our personal wallet, something like MetaMask, so we can grab it.
Okay, once you're inside your wallet, and we're using MetaMask here, just find that Receive button. Tapping this will give us the exact address we need for our incoming ETH.
And here's another absolutely critical check. You have to make sure your wallet is also set to the Arbitrum network. The sending network and the receiving network have got to match, or things will go wrong. So once you've confirmed that, go ahead and copy that Arbitrum address. Now we can head on back to Coinbase.
All right, our ETH should be landing in our wallet on the Arbitrum network any second now. With our funds in place, we're officially ready to connect to the marketplace, Uniswap.
Just before we jump over to the Uniswap website, let's do one last little check. In your wallet, tap on that network selector at the top, just like you see here, and just make sure we're still on Arbitrum.
And this right here is exactly why we did that check. It's all about consistency. Your wallet on the left is on Arbitrum, which means the Uniswap interface on the right must also be on Arbitrum. If these two don't match, the connection's just going to fail. So always check this before you connect.
Perfect. Once you've confirmed that your wallet and Uniswap are both speaking the same language, Arbitrum, you can go ahead and hit Connect. You're now plugged into the marketplace and ready to trade.
And now, for the main event. We're connected, we're funded, and it's time to actually swap our Ethereum for those Autonomi tokens.
Whoa, hold on. Before we make this swap, I have to give you a critical warning. The world of DeFi is kind of like the Wild West, and it's full of fake tokens. To make absolutely sure you're buying the real Autonomi, please never trust a random search. Always copy the official token contract address directly from Autonomi's official website. Seriously.
Okay, back in Uniswap. When you go to select the token you want to buy, the safest, smartest, and really the only way you should do it is to paste that official contract address you just copied. This guarantees you're getting the right one. Now you might see this not enough ETH error. Don't panic, it's a super common mistake. It usually just means you tried to swap your entire balance. You always have to leave a little bit of ETH behind to pay for the network fee, which we call gas. It's kind of like leaving yourself enough bus fare to get home after a shopping trip.
So, once you've set aside a little ETH for gas, the final steps are a breeze. You just enter the amount of ETH you want to spend, take a quick look at the estimated ANT you'll get back, hit that swap button, and then give the final OK in your wallet when it prompts you. And that's it. And just like that, the tokens are in your wallet. Awesome. But before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the most important safety rules for any transaction you do in DeFi. Think of it as essential traveler's wisdom.
Okay, let's just hammer these key safety points home. Number 1, always use the official contract address. 2, always leave a little bit of ETH for gas fees. 3, double, triple, quadruple check that your wallet and the app are on the same network. And 4, just be careful out there. Scammers are really clever.
And there you have it. You did it. You successfully bought Autonomi tokens directly with Ethereum.
It was a simple, efficient, and totally decentralized process where you were in complete control from start to finish. Well done.
So congratulations on making your first direct swap. The world of DeFi is officially open for you to explore, and the only question left is, what are you going to discover next?